Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm back with another Clean With Me video. I'm going to try to do these every week for you guys. I know they offer some inspiration and motivation for you, and a lot of you watch them for relaxation, which I totally get because I completely do the same thing at night when I want to wind down. There's something about watching other people clean their houses that kind of relaxes you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to it. So as you can see, I'm putting away some dishes. I like to run the dishwasher right after dinner, especially if the dishwasher is full. That way in the morning I can go ahead and unpack it and load it throughout the day whenever we're having breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then just repeat the cycle. So the kitchen is always one area that I'll always like to keep picked up. I don't like a lot of stuff on the counter. I just like to have a place for everything, so it's definitely one area where I always like to keep up with. That way stuff doesn't accumulate throughout the day. So I did have a pan that was soaking overnight, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of that and get the sink all cleared out and ready for the day. So in the past I have had drying racks, but I always find that the drying mats work a lot better. I feel like with the racks, you know, the wet like droplets go down to the bottom of what's underneath them, so I just prefer to use a drying mat. I'll try to link it for you guys in the description. I also need to replace those flowers with something else, so I just grabbed another house plant, and I'm going to set the mood for the day and get a candle going. And I totally put off doing laundry yesterday. Usually Mondays is always my laundry day, but I knew that I was going to be filming a cleaning video today, so I did push it off a day. And yesterday, if you saw my stories, it was a complete nightmare. So yeah, just things did not go according to plan, and it totally threw off my routine. And off to the bedroom. I just need to make the bed, do some light dusting of our nightstands and our dressers, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a vacuum as well. I think this might be the only video that has featured both Sunny and Kato in the same video. Usually it's like one or the other, but of course they're always nearby and always willing to help out their mama clean. So I was starting to work up a sweat, so I went ahead and got rid of that sweatshirt. It was cool this morning when I took the dog out, but now it's starting to warm up. So after I do the nightstands, I'm going to quickly dust off the dresser. And like I said, this room always gets vacuumed with the Roomba. It's like the first room off of where the Roomba is located. But I still feel like it doesn't get all the cat hair and all the dust. So I always like to vacuum it twice, 2 to 3 times a week with a regular vacuum. And on all of my wood surfaces, I like to use the Method wood cleaner. I'll go ahead and link that as well in the description. I try to link everything that I'm using in these videos so y'all can easily find them. So just check the drop down description at the top of this video. So I do apologize for this next clip that takes place in the dining room. Our floors are very old. Our house was built in 1876. So you'll notice the camera shakes a little bit whenever I'm walking by. It's just old hardwood floors, and I do apologize for the shaky footage. So we're getting a new piece of furniture for this space tomorrow, so I wanted to go ahead and clear off these plates because I'll probably have to move these chairs out of here to get this other piece in for our dining room, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a wipe down as well. So I spent about 2 hours last night researching wallpaper, and you guys, I cannot decide on a wallpaper for this room. As much as I'd love to keep it for this space, it is faded in spots and it has some water damage. So I definitely need to replace it. I'm just trying to find maybe something similar in more of a contrasting color. It's just so hard to like pick out and commit to a wallpaper because it is so expensive. You want to be sure it's right because it's going to be up there for a long time. So that is one thing that I've been holding off, is trying to figure out which wallpaper to do in the dining room. And by the time I had done all of the things that I showed previously, the washer and dryer had gone off. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the laundry and get on to the rest of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up or double tap. And I really appreciate you guys watching every week, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks for flying by, y'all.